Dear students of ICC 2022, you all know that the board was supposed to take MCQ examination from November 2021, and the date that was fixed was 15th of November 2021. While going through the board website, I came to know about a circular issued by the board. You can see the circular in front of you. The number of the circular is PV/CIR/202 and dated is 19th October 2021. It is being addressed to the principal about postponement of the ICSE and ISC year 2021-22 semester 1 examination. It is written very clearly that the ISCE has decided to postpone the ICSE and ISC year 2021-22 semester 1 examination due to reason beyond our controls. All stakeholders means students, guardians, principal, teachers will be informed of the revised schedule of the examination in due course of time. You are requested to kindly disseminate this information to all concerned. The inconvenience caused is deeply regretted, and you can see the signature of Chief Executive and Secretary of the board. It means that ICC may follow the same pattern that CBSE will do. That means they will also go for offline examination, which will be MCQ based, but instead of online it will be offline, that is in your school with OMR sheet. Nothing to worry about it. If you do your preparation perfectly, this type of pattern is also not at all bad. I just request to the students, the way you are doing preparation, please continue it, because as it is mentioned that revised schedule will be given at the earliest, and I hope so that within 15 days maybe the new type of examination will take place, which may be end of November or first week of December. So please do the revision seriously. It's not that it's better that you are getting more time to do your revision. So please take it seriously, and nothing to worry about of not giving online examination and giving offline examination. If you do your preparation perfectly, it doesn't matter at all. So again I request you, do your revision as you are all doing now, and take the new pattern of examination seriously also. In the description you will see I have loaded lots of videos for ICC 2022. If you go to the description you will get all the videos link. I request you to go to the description and check all the videos that I have posted for ICC 2022, and please inform this to your friends who are also students of ICC 2022. Again I request you not to worry about, but take the revision seriously. I hope you will come out with flying colors. All the best. Thank you very much.